Guys, let's make it real simple. This is youtube.com/Joe Cronin Show, and I'm going to talk about the WWE Network on Xbox right now. Now, listen, it's great if you have Xbox and PlayStation and everywhere, but I need to hear your feedback. We need to become a community and come together and figure out what's going on. So far, my experiences go like this. Tablet still isn't in full HD, so I don't watch it, but it's in SD, and it usually streams decent. Cell phone is great usually and streams in HD for the most part and seems all right. PC is the best place to view it. It's in HD. All the pay-per-views are there. WCW, WWE, everything is there. It's great. The Xbox, which had problems at launch and then a week later was fixed and now is up, is missing tons of pay-per-views. But not just that. Live events are jittery here or there. They fast forward, they stop, they change buffering. All kinds of problems on Xbox right now, on 360 Xbox for WWE. My concern is, what's going to happen at WrestleMania? When I'm watching WrestleMania on Xbox, what the hell is going to happen? Thank God I have a PS3 that I'm going to dig up and plug in and see if that works better. But I need to know from you guys, how is it running on your Xbox 360? Is it running jittery? Are you still having problems? Obviously, I know WCW pay-per-views are missing and many other pay-per-views are missing. But I'm still having problems, man. I can watch the whole thing and it doesn't crash, but it does jitter and stutter and fast forward and things like that, like quickly, and has little issues lagging everywhere. And it's very noticeable. It's not just here or there. It's quite constant. And it's very worrisome, very troublesome, and I am very concerned about that, especially for people who may not have a lot of money, who may have a cell phone, but, you know what I mean? You want to watch WrestleMania. You don't want to watch WrestleMania on your fucking cell phone. So figure this shit out, WWE. Figure this fucking shit out as fast as you fucking can. Because, listen, I cannot order WrestleMania on Comcast anymore, obviously, thanks to you. And I have to watch it through an Xbox, most likely. Is this shit happening on PS3? Please tell me, guys. Are you having buffering issues and streaming issues on PS3 and on Xbox? What's the deal? Let me know. Because if you are, this is absolute butt fuck. Okay? I understand we're still only 2 weeks into launch now or whatever it is, but this has to change. I am fucking worried for WrestleMania 31. I am scared shitless that this is going to happen while I'm watching WrestleMania at a pivotal moment. Something's going to happen. It's going to skip ahead and the match is over. And I missed the fucking thing because WWE Network isn't fucking working on Xbox. Now, for me, I'm lucky. I'll whip out the PS3, and if the PS3 works, we're good to go, my friend. I can watch it on my big HD TV, but if not, I have to watch WrestleMania on my fucking computer? I don't fucking think so. And I ain't dragging an HDMI cord from here to fucking Europe to watch WrestleMania 30, okay? I shouldn't have to do that. You should not have to do that. That's the bottom line. And if you don't like it, kiss my ass. WWE, get your shit together. Microsoft, Xbox, get your shit together because you're failing and you're losing, quite frankly. All right, Major Nelson, get on that shit because you're fucking losing. And as somebody who supported Xbox for fucking 13 or 14 years now, it pisses me off. I made the jump from PlayStation 1 to Xbox instantly and bypassed the PlayStation 2, even though PlayStation 2 was hotter than a jalapeno in Arizona in the midsummer. I'll tell you something. It makes me very angry to watch something be good and to fail only because of itself. Xbox is losing right now to PS4 only because of themselves. No other reason. PlayStation stepped up their game slightly and you stepped on your balls, Xbox. That's what you've done. Other people have done this before. They're called MySpace. MySpace was a wonderful place. Everyone was on it. Even when Facebook was starting to get big, people still love to be on MySpace, and you almost had a Monday Night War beginning between MySpace and Facebook. But MySpace went and changed their whole platform and made it all shitty and annoying. Right around the same time their stiffest competition of Facebook came out, which made everyone go, fuck this, jump shit to Facebook. And so you shot yourself in the face, MySpace. You ended your own existence. That's what you did. You ended your own damn existence. And that's exactly what's happening right now to the Xbox, to Microsoft. So Microsoft and Xbox, figure it out, because you're losing in every avenue. You're losing in every way possible. Halo 1, best game ever on Xbox. One of the best games ever for any system. Top 10 video games. Halo 1, the first Halo, 2001. You had me hooked. Then Halo 2 came out, and everybody jumped on Halo 2, Xbox 360. It was the first online video game for a system that took the world by storm. The reason why Xbox and Call of Duty exist is because of Halo 2, because of what it did. And what happened? You went and shot yourself in the damn foot, because now, after losing to Bungie, after losing Bungie Studios, Halo 4 has lag and has problems and has issues that Halo even 2 didn't fucking have. But Halo 4 has these problems all of a sudden, and you can see the Halo world start to drift and fall away. Only 1 million people, only 100,000 people a day playing Halo 4. What the fuck happened? It's called shooting yourself in the foot. That's what you've done, Microsoft. And I love you, but goodbye, Blue Sky. It could be over. And WWE Network, you need to figure this shit out. I refuse to watch WrestleMania 30 on... WrestleMania 30 may have its own problems as it is as a pay-per-view or whatever you call it now. But I'll tell you what, if there's streaming problems, I will make 100 videos attacking the WWE until you fix this shit. My Xbox plays WWE Network like a fucking old man plays with his pecker. Okay? Sloppy, slowly, out of control, in and out of sleep, and sometimes hard. And that's about it, my friend. WWE Network on Xbox sucks dick. WWE Network is awesome if you can watch it on the right platform. NXT is phenomenal right now. But WWE Network on the Xbox 360 is a pile of monkey fuck. Hashtag fact. Let me know if you agree in the comments below. Click the like button. Jam that thumb up my ass if you think that's what Xbox 360 and the WWE Network have done to you.